Aside unveiled the Huawei Mate 50 series, Huawei Malaysia launched a few other products including this new Huawei MatePad SE 10.4. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast episode 80. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Today we're looking at the most affordable Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 powered tablets. It even received the highest degrees of DRM protections Widevine L1, meaning this tablet can stream videos at the best resolution possible like Netflix, Disney+, and other streaming apps. Let's talk more about the design and hardware. The 10.4-inch Huawei MatePad SE weighs at just 440 grams with a thickness of 7.85mm. The USB-C charging port is on the right side, power button and volume rockers are on the top. There's also a micro SD card slot for storage expansion. Stereo dual speaker systems tuned by Huawei Hisense 8.0 technology. They are loud and wide, but lacking of clarity. Rigged with a single 5-megapixel rear cameras and an HD front camera, they are just decent for video calls and text capture. The Huawei MatePad SE 10.4 sports a obviously 10.4-inch 2K resolution IPS display with just nice bezel size for one hand holding. The panel offers 4096 level brightness adjustments, UV Rylan low blue lights, and flicker-free certification. The overall build is pretty solid, constructed with matte finish metals and a micro-curved middle frame design that is comfortable to grip. Under the brain display is the Qualcomm 6nm Snapdragon 680 paired with 4GB of memories and 64GB of internal storage. It's quite a capable SoC that can handle multitasking and casual games. Coming to multitasking, the MatePad SE 10.4 runs on HarmonyOS 3.0 and despite being equipped with just mid-range SoC, it can run and navigate smoothly, even having 3 applications run simultaneously. Connect and collaborate with other Huawei devices like laptops, wireless earbuds, printers, and many more has never been simpler with this super device. The most popular questions asked, how's the app situation right now? I would say 70% to 80% of the main apps are available now on the Huawei app gallery, including e-wallets, game, social media apps, and banking apps. So how about Google Apps? At the moment, there's a workaround method by using the Lighthouse apps. This allows you to run popular Google apps natively like YouTube, Google Drive, Google Maps, Google Sheets, Google Docs, and many more. But this doesn't mean you will have Google Play Store to download apps. Matter of fact, there are some Google apps won't run without the Google Play services. My buddy from Hello Express has tested most of the Google apps with Lightroom apps, and he also listed which will work and which doesn't. So if you want to learn more, the link will be in the description box. The Huawei MatePad SE 10.4 is packed with a 5100 mAh batteries and come with a slow 10W charger. It will easily take 2.5 hours to fully charge from 0%. It can get me through at least 5 series of shows before I need to charge them. Earlier I did mention that this is probably the most affordable tablet you can get, and here's why. Huawei Malaysia is having an instant RM300 discount from its RM999 MSRP, meaning you can own this tablet for just RM699. For this price, it's quite a good deal where you are getting a mid-range specs tablet at an entry-level price tag. The only drawback is the slow charging speed. If you are interested in getting one, you can check the link in the description box below. That's all from me on the new Huawei MatePad SE 10.4. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.